money every single month. But here's the question most people never ask. Are you actually using everything you're paying for? A lot of people subscribe because they want the shiny Nitro badge, animated profile, or custom emojis. Then, a few months later, they realize they're barely using any of the features they're paying for. On the other hand, some Discord users genuinely save money with Nitro because of the server boosts, higher upload limits, and streaming quality. So, which one are you? In this video, I'm breaking down everything Discord Nitro offers in 2026, comparing Nitro Basic with full Nitro, explaining who actually gets value from it, and helping you decide whether you should subscribe or keep your money. Let's start by looking at what you're actually paying for. Number 1. What Discord Nitro actually includes. Before deciding if Nitro is worth it, you need to understand exactly what comes with the subscription. Most people only know about animated avatars and custom emojis, but Nitro includes far more than that. The first major upgrade is your file upload limit. Free Discord users can only upload relatively small files before needing another service like Google Drive or Dropbox. With Nitro, that limit increases dramatically, making it much easier to share gameplay recordings, project files, zip archives, videos, high-resolution images, or large documents directly inside Discord. If you regularly send clips to friends, upload mods, or collaborate on projects, this feature alone can become incredibly convenient. Another major benefit is higher quality streaming. If you spend a lot of time in voice channels, watching movies, sharing gameplay, helping friends troubleshoot software, or presenting projects, Nitro lets you stream at much higher resolutions and frame rates than free users. The difference becomes especially noticeable when sharing fast-moving games or detailed desktop applications where text needs to stay sharp. Then there are profile customization features. Nitro lets you use animated avatars, animated profile banners, profile effects, custom themes, and other cosmetic upgrades that make your profile stand out. These don't change how Discord works, but many users enjoy making their profiles feel unique. One of the biggest perks is universal emoji access. Without Nitro, custom emojis usually only work inside the server they belong to. With Nitro, you can use your favorite server emojis almost anywhere on Discord. The same applies to stickers, making conversations much more expressive across different communities. Now let's talk about the feature that actually has real monetary value. Server boosts. Full Nitro includes 2 server boosts with your subscription. These boosts help communities unlock better audio quality, animated server icons, higher upload limits, extra emoji slots, custom invite backgrounds, and many other server-wide perks. If you already buy server boosts separately, getting them included with Nitro can make the subscription much easier to justify. There are also smaller quality of life benefits, including more profile customization options, additional app icons, wider personalization settings, and access to various Nitro exclusive cosmetic features that Discord continues adding over time. When you add everything together, Nitro is much more than just animated emojis. The real question is whether you'll actually use enough of these features to make the monthly cost worthwhile. And that's where choosing the right subscription tier becomes important. Number 2, Nitro Basic vs Full Nitro. A lot of people don't realize Discord actually offers 2 different subscriptions, Nitro Basic and Full Nitro. At first glance, they look similar, but they're designed for completely different users. Nitro Basic focuses on the features that casual Discord users care about most. You get custom emojis across servers, sticker access, a larger upload limit than free users, and several profile customization features. For someone who mainly chats with friends and wants a more personalized Discord experience, Basic covers most of the essentials. Full Nitro takes things much further. Along with everything included in Basic, you also receive the highest upload limits, higher quality streaming, 2 server boosts, additional profile customization options, and the complete Nitro experience. For many people, those 2 included server boosts are actually the biggest reason to choose full Nitro. Buying boosts individually can become expensive. So if you're already supporting a community server, full Nitro often makes more financial sense. If you don't care about boosting servers or streaming in HD, though, Basic can deliver almost everything you'll actually use for a much lower monthly price. That's why many users downgrade from full Nitro after realizing they weren't taking advantage of the premium features. Choosing between the two really comes down to how you use Discord every day. Number three, who full Nitro is actually worth it for? This is where the answer starts changing depending on the person. If you're a server owner, Nitro becomes much more valuable. The included boosts help your own community grow while saving money compared to purchasing boosts separately. If you're active in multiple communities and frequently support servers you enjoy, full Nitro is one of the easiest ways to contribute while unlocking extra perks for yourself. Content creators and streamers also get excellent value, sharing gameplay in high quality, hosting movie nights, running live tutorials, showing software demonstrations, or collaborating with editors becomes a much smoother experience. Another group that benefits is people who regularly upload large files. Video editors, developers, students, graphic designers, musicians, photographers. If you're constantly sending large files, Nitro removes one of Discord's biggest limitations. Gaming communities also benefit. Players frequently share recordings, mods, screenshots, save files, and large downloads. Being able to upload everything directly inside Discord without relying on external file hosting services makes communication much easier. If several of these situations describe you, full Nitro can absolutely justify its monthly cost. Now, number four, WO should buy Nitro Basic instead. Now let's talk about the subscription most people completely overlook. Nitro Basic. Honestly, for casual Discord users, Basic might actually be the smarter purchase. If your main reasons for wanting Nitro are custom emojis, stickers, profile customization, and slightly larger uploads, Basic delivers almost everything you'll notice during everyday use. You still get a more personalized Discord experience without paying for features you may never touch. This makes Basic a great choice for students, casual gamers, friend groups, and users who simply enjoy customizing their profile without needing server boosts or premium streaming. It's also an easy way to test whether premium Discord features actually matter to you before committing to the full subscription. Number five, Doge should skip Nitro completely. Here's something you probably won't hear from Discord advertisements. Um, Not everyone needs Nitro. If Discord is simply where you text friends, join voice chat occasionally, share a few memes, and rarely upload anything larger than a screenshot, then the free version already covers almost everything you need. The biggest mistake people make is subscribing because everyone else has the Nitro badge. After a few weeks, the excitement fades and they're left paying every month for features they barely remember using. If you don't stream, don't boost servers, don't upload large files, and don't really care about profile customization, there's honestly no reason to spend the money. That budget could go toward a game, another subscription you actually use, or simply stay in your wallet. Sometimes the smartest upgrade is realizing you don't actually need one. Number six, things people don't consider before buying. Before you click subscribe, there are a few things worth thinking about. First, ask yourself how often you actually open Discord. Every day? A few times a week? Or only when friends message you? Second, think about whether you're already paying for other subscriptions. Spotify, Netflix, Game Pass, cloud storage, streaming services, those monthly payments add up quickly. Even if Nitro isn't particularly expensive, it's still another recurring subscription. Finally, ask yourself one simple question. If Discord removed your Nitro tomorrow, which features would you actually miss? If the answer is server boosts or large uploads, Nitro probably has value. If the answer is nothing, you've already made your decision. Final verdict. So, is Discord Nitro worth it in 2026? For server owners, moderators, creators, streamers, developers, and anyone constantly uploading large files. Yes, full Nitro offers genuine value and can even save money if you're already buying server boosts separately. If you mainly want custom emojis, profile customization, and a few convenience features, uh, Nitro Basic is probably the better deal. But if you're a casual Discord user who mostly chats with friends and rarely uses premium features, the free version of Discord is still excellent, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with sticking with it. At the end of the day, Nitro isn't something everyone needs. It's a subscription that makes sense for the right person. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to subscribe for more honest Discord guides, comparisons, and tutorials. And if you want to discuss whether Nitro has been worth it for you, Join the OBX Discord through the link below. I'd love to hear your experience.